A very good morning to you. Welcome to our Bird Notes. This is Dwight Davis. What does this sound like? Well, yes, an animal, and specifically a bird, but I should have asked what word might this sound suggest? Someone has proffered that call can be rendered as the word scaup, spelled S-C-A-U-P. And this is how the bird got its name. Well, I don't buy that. It sounds more like bonk, bonk to me. There's a more logical derivation of the word scaup, but let's talk about the bird first. Scaup is the name given to two sea ducks that regularly winter in our area. The term sea ducks refers to those ducks that are found in more open bodies of water. They're sometimes called bay ducks also. Unlike the better-known marsh and surface-feeding ducks, like the mallard, for example, sea ducks feed by diving. They nest on the northern tundras, and many winter here. They can now be seen bobbing about in the Chesapeake Bay and along the Atlantic shores of the Old Dominion. Mixed flocks of scoters and buffleheads and scaup. The greater scaup is more likely to be seen here, appearing, according to Peterson, black at both ends and white in the middle. Well, actually not white, but gray in the middle, but you get the idea. Hunters call this scaup bluebill, because the bill is indeed blue. The head is dark at close range and in the right light, appearing glossy green. The greater scaup is about 1.5 feet long as it floats on the water. The lesser scaup is, yes, smaller, but not by much. Its dark head can sometimes appear a glossy purple with just a hint of a top knot. Females of both scaups are dark brown with white at the base of the bill. Like most other sea ducks, scaups dive for food, both vegetable and animal, with mollusks making up most of their diet in the winter. Which brings us back to the name. The name scaup is thought to derive from the word scaups, which is a term that was used in the British Isles for beds of shellfish. You can see the scaups, both greater and lesser, right now off our coasts and in our bays, the flocks floating around with the ducks occasionally diving beneath the surface for the seafood dinner that gave them their name.